Precision matters in baking, where every gram shapes the final texture and taste. The best kitchen scale for baking helps ensure accurate measurements, consistent results, and easy conversions, making it easy to follow recipes and create perfect cakes and breads every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. OXO Good Grip Scale. The OXO Good Grip Scale stands out as a reliable and user-friendly option for home bakers who value accuracy and convenience. Its stainless steel surface is designed to resist smudges and fingerprints, keeping the scale looking clean even with regular use. One of its most practical features is the zero or tear function, allowing you to reset the weight as you add multiple ingredients into the same bowl, which simplifies the baking process significantly. The large digital display ensures easy readability, while the unique pull-out screen design prevents large mixing bowls from blocking your view. This thoughtful detail makes it especially useful during busy baking sessions. The removable platform also adds to its appeal, making cleaning quick and hassle-free. With multiple unit conversions, including ounces, pounds, grams, and kilograms, it supports a wide range of recipes without confusion. Backed by a strong customer guarantee, the OXO Good Grip Scale offers both durability and peace of mind, making it a dependable choice for consistent baking results. Number 2. KitchenAid KQ909 Scale. The KitchenAid KQ909 Scale brings precision to a higher level with its dual platform design, making it an excellent choice for serious bakers and cooking enthusiasts. It features 2 separate weighing areas, allowing you to measure both large and extremely small quantities simultaneously. This is particularly useful when working with ingredients like yeast, spices, or baking powder that require high precision. The backlit LCD display shows readings for both platforms clearly, ensuring accuracy without confusion. Its tear function allows you to measure multiple ingredients in one container, streamlining your workflow and reducing cleanup. The scale operates on AAA batteries and includes an auto shutoff feature to conserve power, adding to its efficiency. While it requires careful cleaning with a damp cloth, its sturdy construction ensures long-term durability. Overall, the KitchenAid KQ909 scale is a versatile and highly accurate tool that caters to both everyday baking and more detailed culinary tasks, making it a strong addition to any kitchen.
Number 3. EILISON Counter Scale. The EILISON Counter Scale is more than just a kitchen scale. It doubles as a smart nutrition assistant, making it ideal for health-conscious users and modern kitchens. With precise measurements up to 5,000 grams and multiple unit options, including grams, milliliters, ounces, and pounds, it offers flexibility for a variety of recipes. What sets it apart is its built-in TFT color display, which provides detailed nutritional information such as calories, protein, fat, and carbohydrates. This feature works even without an app, making it convenient for quick tracking. For users who want deeper insights, the scale can connect to an app with access to a large food database, turning it into a comprehensive dietary tool. Its sleek and compact design fits well in any kitchen, while its intuitive interface ensures ease of use. Whether you're baking, meal prepping, or monitoring your diet, the EILISON Counter Scale offers a blend of precision and smart functionality that enhances your overall cooking experience.
Number 4. Polit 30-pound Scale. The Polit 30-pound scale is built for versatility and heavy-duty performance, making it suitable not only for baking, but also for bulk food preparation and other practical uses. With a high capacity of up to 30 pounds and precise measurements down to 1 gram, it handles both small and large quantities effectively. This makes it especially useful for bakers who work with large batches or need consistent portion control. The scale supports multiple measurement units, allowing seamless switching depending on the recipe. Its dual power supply option, including both an adapter and battery operation, provides flexibility for different working environments. A standout feature is its counting mode, which is helpful for measuring items like seeds or small ingredients in bulk. The removable stainless steel tray ensures easy cleaning and maintains hygiene, which is essential in food preparation areas. Overall, the Polit 30-pound scale is a practical, durable, and multifunctional choice for users who need more than just a standard kitchen scale. Number 5. BROMECH 66-pound scale. The BROMECH 66-pound scale is designed for high-capacity and commercial-style use, making it a powerful option for serious bakers, small businesses, or anyone handling large quantities. Its impressive 66-pound capacity, combined with precise sensors, ensures accurate measurements across a wide range of weights. The waterproof design adds a layer of durability, allowing it to withstand spills and making cleaning as simple as rinsing underwater. This feature is particularly valuable in busy kitchens or food-related environments. The dual LCD displays on both sides enhance usability, especially in settings where transparency with customers is important. A long-lasting rechargeable battery supports extended use without frequent charging, making it convenient for mobile or outdoor setups. While it leans more toward commercial use, it still performs well for large-scale baking tasks at home. The BROMECH 66-pound scale offers strength, reliability, and functionality, making it an excellent investment for those who require both capacity and precision.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.